Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in another video. And today, we are cleaning up with Will, and this is day 16. I repeat, this is day 16. Let's begin. Yo, good morning to you all. Hope you all getting up. It's time to be productive, man. We is not rich yet, man. Remember that we is not rich to be sleeping, man, holding pillows tight, bro. Everybody, if somebody told you that you can't do nothing, they lying to you. That's the enemy talking to you. And the enemy is the devil. So God, you should listen to God, man. That's not what God said. That was the enemy said. So if somebody told you that you can't read nothing, they lying to you. They lying to you, bro. They lying to you. Lying to you very, very bad, bro. And I hope you realize you can be something in this world, man, before you leave. Before you leave, go to hell or go God. It depends if you know God, man, while you're alive, man. It all depends, man. If you don't know God now, go know Him. Go repent, man. It is not too late. It is not too late to repent, man. And don't feel guilty praying to God, bro. I know I know some of us, like most of us, be scared to pray in front of people, bro. But you don't need to. You don't need to be scared, bro. Let's show everybody that we care about God. You know, everybody might have something to say against it, you know, but it is what it is. But that's not what God's saying. So if it ain't God, if it ain't what God's saying, then it don't matter. It should not matter at all. should pray for wisdom, wisdom, um, not get your desires to flourish too much. Um, get closer to Him and only listen to Him. Only listen to God and not the world. Not the world, man. Listen to God and not the world. It's the way to go. Trust me, you will get more far. If that's not what God said in the Bible, you should not listen to it. God's good, God's great. He always will be, bro. He always gonna be around when you need him. I appreciate him for me getting over my addiction. Wish it was me being a whole slave to lust, bro. Being a whole slave to lust, bro. I still thank him today. That's why I owe him my life, for real. So, the lust was a big sin in my book, boy. Man, if I ever lost again, I would definitely take conscience of it and go repent, bro. Instantly, for out feeling guilty. Yeah, you know what I suffer from? You know what we all suffer from. So, what we've been through, what problems we face, and how far we came. Came from nothing. Alright, y'all. Remember, man, go get right with God, man. He love you and appreciates you all the time, man. But yeah, it's time to go. It's your boy checking out. I'm going, man.